the group 4 sounds. Now, group 4 sounds comprises of mostly digraphs. Digraphs is where two different sounds come together and make one sound. Now, the first representation in this group is A and I coming together. The second one is just an individual letter, which is J. The third one is O and A coming together. And then the fourth one is I and E coming together. The fifth one is double E, and the last one is OR coming together, making one sound. Now, what are these sounds? AI makes sound A, A, A. Okay, and J makes sound J, 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 J. OA makes sound O, O. And IE makes sound I. And double E makes sound E, E. And OR makes sound O, O. Those are the group 4 sounds. Let's get practicing.